India's coastline isn't just a boundary, it's a bridge that connects India with the world. And it keeps our economy running with 13 major ports. So friends, today we are going to discuss about these 13 important ports that plays an important role in the economy of the country. So without any further delay, let us start the topic. So guys, as we know that India has a coastline of over 7,500 kilometer, which includes 13 major ports and more than 200 minor ports. So today we are going to discuss about the 13 major ports, their location and what is their significance. But right before that, let us understand that in India, we classify the ports into two categories, major ports and minor or intermediate ports. Now the major ports are maintained by the central government, whereas the minor ports are basically maintained by the state government. Now coming to the ministry, guys, this is managed by Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterways. Okay, so now moving towards the first port is our Kandla port, also known as Deen Dayal port, located in Gujarat. It was one of the oldest and busiest major port by cargo volume. It basically specializes in crude oil transport, petroleum and fertilizers. Kandla port located in Gujarat, also known as Deen Dayal port. Moving towards the next slide, guys, we have Mumbai port. Of course, the name itself suggests that it is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and it is also India's one of the largest as well as oldest port, handles basic cargo and liquid chemicals. Moving towards the next slide, friends, we have JNPT, Jawaharlal Nehru Port, also known as Nhava Sheva Port, located again in Maharashtra, and it is largest cargo container and it handles one of the largest cargo in India, handles over half of India's containerized cargo. So this is what JNPT, also known as Nhava Sheva Port. Nhava Sheva Port. Then we go to our next port, also known as Mormugao, also known as Mormugao Port. Mormagao. Mormugao port, located in the state of Goa, major iron export. This port basically deals with the major iron export of the country, located in Goa. Mormugao port. Moving towards the next slide, friends, we have New Mangalore port, located in Karnataka. Located in Karnataka, it handles basically petroleum and fertilizers. Okay, just like Kandla port, it also handles petroleum, crude and fertilizers. Moving towards the next slide, friends, we have Cochin port, located in the state of Kerala. As we know, guys, Kerala is rich in spices, and that is why it is important for spices as well as seafood export. And it is also known as the gateway to Lakshadweep Islands, which is a union territory. Moving towards the next slide, friends, we have our Chennai port. Of course, Chennai is located in Tamil Nadu, second largest port in terms of volume. This is the second largest port when it comes to the volume of a particular port, and it handles basic containers, automobiles, etc. Moving towards the next slide, friends, we have Ennore port, also known as Kamarajar port. It is also located in Tamil Nadu, and it was India's first corporate port, mainly coal, iron ore and automobiles. It deals with these sort of aspects. Okay, now we come to Visakhapatnam port, located in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Deepest port, it is one of the deepest ports, handles iron ore, coal and petroleum. So what we can observe from all these ports, that coal, iron ore, petroleum, basically most of the ports are dealing with these substances. Okay, then we go to one of the most important ports, known as Paradip port, located in the state of Odisha, major bulk cargo port, also known for handling coal and iron ore, as I've told you earlier, guys. Now we have Haldia port. Okay, Haldia port, located in the state of West Bengal. Now this is part of Kolkata Port Complex focuses on industrial cargo as well as petroleum. So guys, again it is dealing with petroleum. Now we have Kolkata Port, also known as Shama Prasad Mukherjee Port, only riverine port in India. Only major port that is in a particular river. And last but not the least, we have Port Blair, that is the economic hub of Andaman and Nicobar Island. Not only economic hub, it is very important strategically. Okay. Why? Because it serves as a mode of connectivity of Andaman and Nicobar Island with the rest of the world. So guys, this was a holistic idea about major important ports that are in India. We have discussed only the locations as well as the important aspects of it. So in the upcoming videos, we will come with the other ports of India. So till then, stay connected with Edufy.